Hi you guys. Today's video is really true and dear to my heart. This is my Naked palette, my first makeup palette that I've ever purchased from Sephora. This is what made me discover makeup, and maybe I don't post that many makeup videos, but I really have a love for it, and this is where it all started. This is a well-loved, obviously you can't even see the gold anymore practically. It's a well-loved Urban Decay Naked palette, which they've announced is being like discontinued, out of production. It's, you know, I understand they want to move on, and they've been making this palette for like, I don't know, like 10 years or something. Let me check it up. So I just checked their Instagram and they've been making it for 8 years. So that's pretty intense for a palette, I think. So I've had this palette in Cégep, which is like college here in Quebec. I've had it through university. I've done plenty of trips with it, and I just love it. So I just wanted to do a little video featuring one of my favorite looks using this palette. So if you're interested in getting this palette, definitely go get it before it's really out of stores, and because it's out of production now. So run to your Sephora's or check online. I love the Naked palette. So if you want to see how I created this look using the Naked palette, definitely continue watching. So I'm gonna start with Buck. It's one of the only 2 matte shades in the palette, and it's like a light brown. So I'm just gonna put that all over my lid, and I'm gonna blend it into my crease. Okay, so next I'm going to take Smog. It's this golden brown. Obviously it's not gold, like half baked right there, but definitely a nice shimmery brown that I really, really love to put all over the lid. So we brought Buck into the crease, but Smog is really just going to be onto the actual like lid. As you can see, it's the only color I've hit pan on because it really is my favorite, and I've used it a ton. Like, these last a really long time. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and blend the 2 colors in together by doing like windshield wiper motion. So next I'm going to use Half Baked, which is the golden color between the 2 shades we've already used. And I'm just going to apply a little bit in the center of my lid just to bring it out a bit of the shine. Just like that. So I'm going to continue with the color Smog, and I'm just going to place that on my lower lash line, leaving maybe like a third of the space in the beginning of the lower lash line. I don't know how to talk. In the final third, I'm going to use Half Baked again, that golden shade, and kind of blend them together. Really smoky and beautiful. I love this look. So I'm going to use Dark Horse and a bit of Creep mixed in together to line my lash line a little bit, just to darken it up. So I'm going to use a black liner to blacken out my entire waterline, but I don't want it to be too harsh, so I'm going to kind of keep like a gentle hand. So I'm going to put a lot of mascara on my top and bottom lashes, and I'll be right back. I just did my lips with two NYX products. This is the Soft Matte Lip Cream in London and the Butter Gloss in Tiramisu. I really like this combo. But this is the end of the video, guys. This is the final look. I really hope you like it, because this is my go-to look with the OG palette, the Urban Decay Naked, the baby, my favorite. Like, this is definitely my favorite of the other Naked palettes, like the numbered ones. And if you don't have this palette, this is the one I recommend. I always see people like wondering which one they should buy, and this is the one I always say you should go for. Yeah, I really love this palette, and I'm really sad it's gonna be gone, so last chance to get it if you don't already have it, or if you want to keep it in your collection or something. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.